Oh, hi, first grade. How embarrassing. I didn't see you there. I was just reading about the moon. Now, this book I'm saving for in class because it's a good one and I want to read it to you and see your faces when I read it. But I have another great book about the moon on the computer. And so I would love it if you could sit back and relax and read a story with me. I'm going to share my screen. There it is. So we are reading Our Moon, Brightest Object in the Night Sky. And it says early readers will be taken on a journey through outer space in simple yet captivating text as they learn fascinating facts about the moon. Who's ready to grow our brain about the moon? I am. I love the moon. And I love growing my brain. It's like my two favorite things. So here we go. Ready? What is the brightest object in the night sky? Our moon. The moon is a part of Earth's solar system. And so if you look really closely, we have the sun, Mercury, Venus, and then the moon and Earth. Look how tiny they are. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The moon is much smaller than Earth. About 50 of our moons could fit inside the Earth. Moon, teeny tiny. Earth, much bigger. And what's even bigger than the Earth? The sun. Light from the sun shines on the moon. That's what this is right here. The light makes the moon look bright in the night sky. The part of the moon that faces away from the sun is very cold and dark. The other side is super hot. So for example, this is the Earth, this is the sun. This is the moon. This part of the moon is light and bright because it's facing the sun. So it's hot because the sun makes it hot. This part is kind of like a giant shadow. It's dark because it's not getting that light from the sun. So it's cold. The moon orbits or moves around Earth. Sometimes we see a little sliver of the moon at night. A little teeny tiny. Other times we see a big part of it. Whoa. The amount depends on where the moon is in the sky. Gray rocks and dust cover the moon. There are many holes called craters on it. See those little like holes? Astronauts have gone to the moon in spaceships. The moon has no oxygen in its atmosphere. So it says astronauts need special suits to breathe there. Because there's the air that you need to breathe isn't up there where the moon is, so they have to wear a special suit so that they can breathe. And then this is the spaceship, and this is an astronaut, and there's Earth. In 1969, astronauts put an American flag on the moon. You know that thing we do the pledge to every morning? They put one of those up there. That's the astronaut. They left footprints. Do you see the footprints from their spacesuit? They brought moon rocks back to Earth. And then, because this is such a fabulous nonfiction text or book, it compares, kind of like a Venn diagram almost, the moon versus Earth. So in size, the moon is about 2,159 miles, but the Earth is 7,918. So clearly, the Earth is much bigger, right? That's why it's bigger in the picture. Highest temperature, 136 degrees Fahrenheit for the Earth. 253 degrees Fahrenheit for the moon, so that's hotter. Lowest temperature, like how cold does it get? Negative 126 versus negative 387. And then the surface, so mostly oceans and some land, right? The blue and the green. But the moon is dusty and rocky soil, and it doesn't have any water. And then a glossary, one of my favorite parts of a nonfiction book, is where I can look to learn new vocabulary. What a great text feature. So for example, if I didn't know what oxygen was, you know, that stuff that we breathe, I could come find the word oxygen and it would tell me. So it says a colorless gas found in Earth's water and air, which people and animals need to breathe. Oh, or craters, the holes shaped like bowls in the moon. Or atmosphere, layers of gases that surround a planet or other body in space. How interesting. Oh, and another great nonfiction text feature, an index. It tells me where that these important words are on all of these pages. It's super helpful. All right, first grade. Thank you for doing another afternoon job. I'm super proud of you. Keep it up, and I'll see you later, alligators. Bye.